the first Thanksgiving, right, was not, I mean, the first Thanksgiving was a celebration of what really happened, actually overcoming what really happened. No, they starved to death. Half of them died. They starved to death. Because people did not want to work to feed someone else's kids. No one's going to love your kids.
How I've lived till now, I tell them I don't know. I guess they understand.